Okay, so let's get through all those layers. Hi there, my name is Mark. I'm a graphic designer and content creator fallen in love with 80s synthwave retro and cyberpunk. Yeah, I'm sure that you've done an epic fail like this before. I merged all my layers and accidentally saved it. Well, shit happens, but no worries, I still have a valuable content for you. If you're new on this channel, click subscribe to stay up to date with all my new material. In this video I'll show you how I created this occasional artwork as a tribute to one of the most important artists on electronic music scene, Daft Punk. So because of my blooper I had to recreate the whole PSD file. You can see a comparison here and it's not exactly the same thing, but 95% from the original design is still here. Later in the video you'll get that inside look what I did for this piece of art. And as always, in the description down below you can find the PSD file and all resources that I used for this design. And now you'll see a whole process, so enjoy the video. And that's it, a final piece. I'm really happy with the original result, before I screwed up my PSD file to be honest, but I'm fine with the recreation. It's still 95% of what I did at the first time, so I hope this material was helpful for you. Feel free to check out the rest of my content. Click subscribe, leave a like and drop me a comment down below with your opinions and any suggestions. I appreciate you, thanks for watching and stay tuned. Good night.